Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw a bull from Brawl Stars. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and to begin we're going to draw in the bottom of his eyebrow first. So we're just going to draw in two slants going up. So it's going to be a very mean brow. And then from there we can draw in the his eyeball. So just come on the bottom, just kind of little half circle. So right underneath that brow. And then we can finish it off, just add a little bit of a dot in the middle here. Make it look nice and mean. Alright, so now we can finish up his eyebrow. So for his eyebrow, it's going to be pretty thick. So we're going to go up. And then come out with the same slant as this, and right on the tip here, just gonna angle it up just slightly. So go up and then hook it up. Alright, and then after the eyes, we're gonna draw in his nose, which is gonna be pretty big as well. We'll come out to the side here, just drawing two slants. And then we'll just connect it with a nice curve all the way around. And then for his nose ring, we're just gonna draw one curve side to side right below it. And then on the inside here, we're gonna draw a smaller curve, so that'll finish out the ring. Alright, and then lastly for his mouth, we're gonna draw kind of like a smiley face first, right underneath. And then from this corner here, we're gonna go up into the nose ring. So we're going to draw in the teeth. Just one, two more lines on the side, and I think this side is going to be black. Alright, so now we can draw in the rest of the head shape. So on the side here, just follow the same slant as the eyebrow here. So right around here, we're going to come in. So it's almost like a bracket, and now we'll come down, just kind of round it off on the bottom, and then close off the chin. And it was a little bit strange, but we'll draw in the side where the hair is right after this. So on the side here, we're gonna come up, just gonna draw like a little curve coming down, round it off, go back out. And then now we're going to connect this to the chin. So just curve it. Okay, those are his sideburns, and then now we can draw on the top. So for the top, we're going to draw one curve. And then we're going to continue this. It's going to go all the way up. And then on this side, we're going to come back down a little bit flatter. Alright, so now we can draw in his ear. So just on the side here, next to the eye, just gonna draw two curves. So those are easy. Alright, so that's his head, and let's move on to the body. I'm gonna come in here, right under his sideburn. We're just gonna come straight down. This is gonna be his little vest. And then come out to the shoulder here. Just come out a little bit, and then just draw in like a little angle like this, because it's kind of ripped. And then on the outside, just come straight down and close this off. So that's going to be his vest. And then since we're down here, let's just go ahead and finish up his belt buckle here. So I'm going to draw one line across, slant down. And let's just simplify this, so we're just gonna slant it inwards and close it off. And then for the inside, we're gonna draw two slants. Just a little skull. And then curve it. And then one triangle in here, so nice and easy. Alright, and then on the side here, just come out, draw like a little rectangle. And then for his belt, just come down the side here and then come into the belt buckle. And you have little space here, we'll just draw 2 lines, close everything off. And then on his vest here, it's got some detail on his collar. Just draw 1 angle like this first. And then once you have that, on the top, we'll just go up. And on the bottom here, just go in. And now let's finish up his clothing on top. So now let's draw in his arms. So his arms are really simple. So come across here, here's the armpit. I'm just making a little mark. Here's the top. I'm just gonna come straight down like this with a curve. On this side, come down as well. Stop right around here. For his fist, come down. It's a little curve like this for his thumb. And then here's the back of the fist. We're gonna keep going down. And then this one, we're gonna dip it down and go back up into the thumb. Alright, so it's very cartoony. So now same thing here. Here's the armpit. A curve down. From the armpit, curve down as well. Then here's the thumb again. Come down and just curve it. Back of the fist, come down. Dip it down and go back up into the thumb. Alright, and then he's got a little strap on this side, so I'm just gonna draw in 2 lines. Alright, nice and simple, but pretty cool looking design from these Brawl Stars games. Alright, and then now for his leg, in the middle here, just draw 1 little line. Go back out, come down. Come down the inside and just close it off with a little bit of angle like that. This is gonna be the beginning of his boot. Same thing here. Come down and close it off with an angle. And then now we're gonna continue these lines. Just go all the way down and close it off. That should be a horizontal line. Keep coming down, close it off, and then for the details on the tip of the boot here, we're just gonna draw 1 curve from corner to corner. Alright, so that's his body, and I'm gonna have his shotgun on the back here. So right behind the ear, I'm just gonna draw basically a long rectangle going into the body. And then for the details here, I'm gonna draw 1 line. And then here's the barrel. This one's gonna be on the bottom, so there's 1 and then 2 on the top. And then 1 more detail here, this little gold ring. It's 2 lines. And that is it for this bow character. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.